I'm gonna retire 300 real estate investors as multimillionaires, and here's how. I've scaled my real estate investing business to $5+ million a year with this one simple marketing and acquisitions play. Everything's dialed in. I get leads for $50. My CRM helps our team get in touch with 75% of those leads. And every 15% of those we close because of our script that just absolutely dominates. Every $2,000 I put into marketing gets me an average $22,000 deal. And this has been the story year after year after year. I hired a CEO, I retired myself, I travel, I live the life that I want, that I always said I was gonna live when I got into this game. And me and my family, we're good. I don't need wholesale anymore, but there's a lot of other people that do. And so I'm giving away everything my business does to 300 people who really want in. And this is for a fraction of what these other companies are trying to give you. I'll give you my CRM, I'll give you my scripts, all my dispo, even my 1+ million nationwide buyers, and I'll give you direct access to my CEO to build your business like he did mine. To be clear, this is not charity though. I am gonna ask you to pay for access to myself and my CEO, but I can tell you, nobody does what we do, and nobody has created as many real estate millionaires as we have. Don't take my word for it. Listen to some of these testimonials.
Guys, this is Robert Wensley, founder and CEO of InvestFlip, and I've been working with Nick for about 5 years. And when we first started working together, nationwide wholesaling was not a thing. Nick Perry was the guy that invented it.
He's taken the model and he's, 100x'd it, right? And he's doing nationwide without seeing the properties, just basically over the phone.
You get the nationwide PPC breakdown. You get taught exactly how to scale out of your business. Plus the networking in there alone is enough to make your money back and then some.
7-figure cartel with Nick Perry and Brandon, they're the trailblazers. They're the pioneers. We're earning 6-figure months ever since we started working with them. We lock up leads same day.
After getting with Nick and his cartel, they helped me scale to $4.8 million a year. So giant life-changing stuff from Nick.
So here's the deal. Click the link, book the call. We'll see if you're a fit. If you are, and you're one of those lucky 300 members, we'll see you on the inside.